Y'all, so I just got my director's camping chair, and I love it. Look how, first of all, it already comes put together. Okay, it already comes put together. It has, look right here, it has a little side panel right here, so that when you're sitting down, you can hold your drink if you're outside. You see how big the chair is, and it opens up wide. Let me see. It opens up so wide. How wide is that open? See that? Very easy to put together. That's all it took. Literally, that's all it took. Now, sit down. Lift this piece up right here. See how easy that was? Like, it's lightweight, so you can carry it around, but the thing is sturdy. It's like really sturdy. Man, I love it. I love it. I love it. Highly recommend, guys. If you need a chair, even if you just need a chair for, outside on your patio, on your deck, or if you like go to the park a lot, if you go camping a lot, or you got a child with a lot of like who has games and stuff, and you need something like a seat that you could take with you every time, this will do the trick, guys. Okay, highly recommend. All right, peace, y'all.